King's Landing is the capital city of the Seven Kingdoms of Westeros. It is ruled over by the King of Westeros, previously House Targaryen, but then to House Baratheon through Robert, and then to his son, Joffrey. King's Landing lies mostly in the south, where the weather is warm and the sun shines bright. Immediately to the east is Blackwater Bay, which houses the largest harbor in the Seven Kingdoms. The capital of the Seven Kingdoms, this is also where the Iron Throne resides, housed inside the Red Keep. It is the most populated city of all the kingdoms, but also the dirtiest. King's Landing is watched over by the City Watch, also known as the Gold Cloaks. It's also the home to the Kingsguard, a band of brothers sworn to protect their king. King's Landing was originally a fort built by Aegon the Conqueror when he launched his war on the Seven Kingdoms. After winning the war and uniting all the kingdoms under his name, Aegon transformed the fort into the gleaming city it is now. It was a geographically appropriate place from which to rule his new kingdom.